What I've got here is my Amphenol 28.6 fitting, which is the input power plug to my X-ray transformer. I need to desolder the wires from these pins here and get them all prepped ready for the new input power leads. Obviously this little guy here, 25 watts, plugged straight into the wall, is not going to be able to put out, and it will not do the job. So we're going to use the Fat Boy